So I can think of a particular scenario where, okay, we're waiting on some client work to come through. We might be being ghosted, or it could be that client just, doesn't want to work with us at that point. And it's just like, okay, am I going to choose to sit here and give this a meaning of like, oh, I'm not good enough, or we're not good enough, our business isn't good enough, our work isn't good enough, and all these meanings I can give that particular situation or experience? Or I can choose to focus on the gain and go, okay, I haven't got the client work at this point. What else can I work on? I can work on my content creation. I can work on recording podcasts. I can focus on reading some books. I can use this time to better myself, better the business. And yeah, it really truly depends on what meaning I'm giving that situation. And I can either let it drag me down or help me see the gain in that.
Yeah, and I think what we can differentiate is and create cognitive distance between what actually happened was the client didn't respond to you. That's the story, that's what happened. That's what happened. And what we're making it mean in the story and the imagination and narrative we're giving is that we're not good enough, we're terrible web designers, we're terrible business people. Is it something we said?
What did we do wrong?
What did we do wrong? There's a whole plethora of our imagination that our mind can go crazy and delve into. And it's important just to differentiate the story from what happened. What happened was the client didn't respond to us. And the meaning and story is that we're not good enough, that we're horrible designers. And it's separating the two and not being fixated between merging what happened and the story and the imagination.
Yeah, for sure. That's exactly how I interpret this. And the meaning is entirely our own meaning. There is no like right or wrong or the truth. It is purely based on, as human beings, what meanings are we giving to individual experiences and situations.
Yeah, exactly. Beautifully said, Rosh. Yeah.
Hey there, thank you so much for watching this clip. To watch the full episode, click here. If you want more awesome content like this to help you soar to new heights and break your limiting beliefs, don't forget to subscribe.